Behind heavily guarded factory gates, one of the last Soviet presidential begins to take shape. Everything begins with carefully selected structural steel. Strength matters long before luxury appears. Engineers verify every shipment for thickness, composition, and surface quality. Tiny flaws can become major problems later.
Laser-guided cutting transforms flat steel into precise body components. Accuracy begins within fractions of a millimeter. Flat panels must now gain their shape.
Massive presses form each panel without compromising structural strength. Every curve is engineered, not improvised. Dozens of stamped parts finally meet on precision fixtures. The limousine's skeleton starts taking shape. Hundreds of welds transform loose panels into one rigid body. Consistency is more important than speed. Grinding smooths every welded joint until it almost disappears. Perfection begins long before paint. Bare steel cannot survive decades without protection. The body enters its first chemical treatment.
Electrocoating covers hidden cavities impossible to paint manually. This invisible layer protects the limousine for years.
Industrial curing ovens harden every protective layer. Heat permanently bonds the coating to steel.
Multiple paint layers create the limousine's deep ceremonial finish. Each coat is thinner than paper. Clear coat adds depth while protecting decades of ceremonial use. Mirror-like reflections reveal even the smallest imperfection. Controlled heat hardens every paint layer into a durable finish. Only then can final polishing begin. Hours of polishing create the limousine's unmistakable mirror finish. But the real engineering masterpiece still lies ahead. While the body shines above, a separate team prepares the limousine's heavy-duty chassis. Everything underneath must support decades of reliable service. Each weld is completed in a carefully controlled sequence. Balanced heat prevents the frame from twisting. Hidden defects are unacceptable beneath a presidential limousine. That's why inspectors look beneath the surface. Protective coatings shield the steel from moisture and road salt. Longevity begins long before the first drive. A limousine this large demands a suspension tuned for comfort and stability. Every component is carefully matched. The rear suspension is designed to carry the limousine's substantial weight. Smoothness is engineered into every movement. Stopping a limousine of this size requires equally serious engineering. Every brake component is precisely aligned. Separately assembled, the V8 engine has already passed its own inspections. Now it prepares to meet the chassis. A synchronized overhead crane lowers the engine with millimeter precision. There is almost no room for error. The transmission must work seamlessly with the powerful V8. Precision alignment ensures smooth operation. Power now needs a path to the wheels. The drive shaft quietly transfers every bit of engine power. Balance is essential at highway speeds. Before the engine can breathe, its fuel system must be completed. Every connection is checked twice. Heat is the enemy of performance. A carefully engineered cooling system keeps temperatures under control. Thousands of electrical connections hide beneath the body panels. Each one is routed with remarkable precision. Months of preparation lead to one unforgettable moment. The body and chassis are finally ready to become one. This is the moment every assembly line has been working toward. The body is lowered onto the chassis with millimeter precision. Special mounting points isolate vibration while maintaining structural rigidity. Even comfort begins with engineering. Luxury begins with careful sound insulation. Most passengers will never realize how much lies beneath the carpet. Before any trim is installed, every electrical circuit finds its place. Organization now prevents future problems. Product: ZIL-41047 Soviet Presidential Limousine Tooth. The handcrafted dashboard combines traditional craft. The steering system connects driver and machine with mechanical precision. Every movement must feel predictable. Each seat is individually fitted for perfect alignment. Comfort is measured, not guessed. Wood trim is polished repeatedly before installation. Natural grain gives every limousine its own character. The headliner and carpeting quietly redefine the cabin atmosphere. Luxury often hides in the smallest details.
Chrome accents are more than decoration. Each piece is aligned to exact factory tolerances. Precision-aligned lighting improves visibility and appearance alike. Every beam pattern is carefully adjusted. Large windows require flawless sealing against weather and noise. Every millimeter matters. Even a luxury door must close with perfect consistency. Engineers adjust each hinge by fractions of a millimeter. The finished chassis now stands on its own wheels. Its full proportions finally become visible. The first engine start is moments away. For the first time, the V8 engine comes to life inside its finished chassis. But proving reliability is an even greater challenge. The engine may be running, but the real evaluation has only begun. Every system must prove itself before approval.
The powertrain is tested without leaving the factory floor. Even the smallest vibration is carefully measured.
Acceleration means little without dependable stopping power. Every brake component now faces its first challenge.
A limousine this long demands precise steering geometry. Tiny adjustments produce remarkable stability.
Luxury should remain silent, even during heavy rain. Every seal now faces a demanding inspection. Every switch, handle, and control is operated repeatedly. Nothing is left to chance.
The flawless black finish undergoes its final visual examination. Even microscopic imperfections are unacceptable.
Before leaving the assembly hall, every surface receives meticulous care. Presentation matters as much as engineering.
Every completed limousine receives a documented inspection history. Traceability follows the vehicle throughout its service life.
A carefully controlled road test confirms everything works together. Only real movement reveals the complete picture.
Smooth acceleration confirms careful drivetrain calibration. The limousine moves with effortless confidence.
Uneven pavement exposes weaknesses ordinary roads might hide. Engineers carefully study every movement. Silence is one of the greatest luxuries. Engineers measure sounds the human ear barely notices. After every test, the limousine returns for one last inspection. Approval depends on absolute consistency. Months of craftsmanship have created a limousine worthy of ceremonial duty. Now it prepares for careful delivery.
Every approved limousine receives protective coverings before shipment. The goal is simple: arrive exactly as it left the factory. A vehicle built with such precision deserves equally careful transportation. Loading begins with absolute control. Heavy-duty restraints prevent even the slightest movement during transport. Every attachment point is inspected twice. Even after manufacturing ends, documentation continues. Every shipment is carefully recorded for traceability. For the first time, the completed limousine leaves the production facility. Months of craftsmanship disappear beyond the factory gates.
The ZIL-41047 represents one of the final generations of handcrafted Soviet ceremonial limousines.
Its long hood, formal roofline, and handcrafted details define a distinctive era of automotive design. Every surface reflects patient manual work.
The quiet cabin reflects countless hours of careful assembly. Luxury is built one detail at a time. Hidden beneath its elegant body is a carefully engineered mechanical foundation. Strength and refinement work together. From raw steel to a finished ceremonial limousine, every stage demanded precision. No shortcut could replace craftsmanship. Even after approval, experienced inspectors perform one last visual review. Excellence is confirmed, not assumed. As production ends, the workshop returns to silence. Soon, another limousine will begin the same remarkable journey. Few vehicles represent traditional limousine craftsmanship quite like this one. Its legacy continues long after production ends. From the first sheet of steel to the final inspection, every step reflected remarkable dedication. That's what is.
The ZIL-41047 stands as a testament to precision engineering and traditional craftsmanship.